subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Honor has launched the Magicbook lineup at its recent launch event, including the Honor Magicbook V14. It is Honor's first notebook to be Intellivo platform certified, and is the world's first laptop to come pre-installed with the latest Windows 11 operating system. Honor Magicbook V14 features a 14.2-inch LCD display with a 3:2 aspect ratio, 2.5K screen resolution, and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. It shows 1.07 billion colors, and offers a maximum brightness of 400 nits. Laptop features a 5-megapixel dual camera setup with an ISP chip to improve the quality of video calls. It also comes with 4 speakers and 4 microphones, along with support for directional pickup as well as 5 meters far-field pickup. Device is powered by the Intel Core i5 processor, while the top-end model is powered by the Core i7 processor. Taking care of the graphics processing is the NVIDIA MX450 GPU. As for the memory configuration, Honor offers the device packing up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB NVMe storage. Laptop comes with dual fans and dual heat pipes for heat dissipation. There's also a fingerprint sensor embedded into the power button, which their company claims can unlock the device in 0.7 seconds. Company says that the keyboard on the Honor Magicbook V14 has a 1.5mm keystroke, and the keycaps are coated with skin-friendly resin, which is claimed to be stain-resistant and wear-resistant, to ensuring protection from grease. There are 3 different models and are now up for pre-order and will be available for purchase from 6th October. Base model of the Honor Magicbook V14 packs an Intel Core i5 processor, 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, and integrated graphics. It is priced at $959. It comes in 2 colors, Star Gray and Glacial Silver. There's another model which packs an Intel Core i5 processor, 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, and NVIDIA MX450 GPU. It comes in a starry sky gray color for the price of $1,082. Top-end model packs an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, and NVIDIA MX450 with independent display. This one is priced at $1,237, and it comes in 2 colors, Starry Sky Gray and Dawn Blue. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel. You will continue to get such interesting videos every day on this channel.